Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your biodata from Jazz Agency in the Philippines, which is in Good Day, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
No. Are you sure?
No. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your first time working abroad, correct?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready or are you prepared for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any homesickness that will strikes you anytime?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any health issues? Are you healthy?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is yes. Healthy or do you have any health issues?
Healthy, ma'am.
Healthy. Okay.
Yes.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Rose Ann Limoncito, ma'am. 33 years old, married. I have two kids, 10 years old and 7 years old.
Okay. So, Roseanne, please focus in the camera, okay? I need to ask you some. Okay. So, you mentioned that you are married, correct? And you have two children.
Yes, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
February 28, 1991.
What is your height and your weight?
49, 4'11", 4'11", and 40 kilos.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background? Are you elementary graduate, high school graduate?
High school graduate.
Okay, so who will going to take care of your two children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My husband and my sister-in-law,
How old
ma'am.
is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is 32 and your occupation is laborer.
Laborer. Okay, how many brother and sister do you have?
No, ma'am.
Okay, please focus in the camera, Roseanne. How many brother and sister do you have? You don't have
No,
brother
ma'am.
and sister?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so what about your parents?
My parents, my mother is dead.
Okay. So, in your biodata, it was stated that you have a working experience in the Philippines for 2 years, way back 2011 to 2013, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I know which place in the Philippines?
Bago City.
Okay, what can you describe or can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in Bago for 2 years?
Because not small salary, ma'am.
Sorry, what are your duties?
Take care baby.
Okay, how old is the baby that you take care?
2 years old, ma'am.
2 years old. While taking care of this kid, one only, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you do house chores? Did you
Yes,
clean the
ma'am.
house? Do you cook, laundry, and ironing?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes.
Do you know how to do laundry?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to iron?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to clean the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, way back 2023 to 2024, you work in Philippines as a housemaid also, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
In which place again?
Bacolod City,
Bacolod.
ma'am.
Sorry?
Bacolod City.
Okay, what are your duties?
Clean the house and washing the clothes and ironing and take care of a pet
Pet. What kind of pet?
dog.
Dog. How many dogs?
Two.
Two dogs. Okay. So Rose Ann, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So are you ready? Because this is your first time working abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
You cannot easily say you will going to back out once you reach here in Malaysia, or you will just go back home in the Philippines because you don't want to work already. No such a thing, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you are signing a 2 years contract. You will sign 2 years contract, and if there is any problem back to your family in the Philippines, please be reminded that you cannot easily go back home in the Philippines. Once you reach a 2 years contract, you know what will be the consequences once you break your contract, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. Nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. You are the one who decided to come and work here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Being a domestic helper is very tough. Most especially that this is your first time working abroad. You are a fresher, you are a first timer, so you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care old people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
You can also take care pets, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You know how to write and speak in English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
More, but
Okay, Roseanne, please focus in the camera.
moderate, ma'am.
Sorry, moderate. Roseanne, focus in the camera, okay? Okay. So, I just wanted to let you know the rules and regulations. Okay, so in our rules and regulations of usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working, okay? But you can hold it during nighttime only like 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. On your rest day, you are entitled to have a rest once a week. But you will going to stay inside the house and you are not allowed to go out. Okay? But if employer, but if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Okay? Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I just wanted to make it clarify to you before you reach here in Malaysia because in our initial interview, we already informed you about our terms and conditions, whether you agree or you disagree. Okay? We don't force people also to come here. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how do you fight your homesickness? Because I know that homesickness will frequently attack you because this is your first time working abroad. How will you gonna fight your homesickness?
Call my family after working, ma'am, and pray to God.
Okay, so why did you choose to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Because Malaysia is fifth country.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.